Unlocking the mystery of indefinite adverbs of frequency. Hello, language explorers. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of indefinite adverbs of frequency. These are special adverbs that help us express how often something happens, but without stating a specific frequency. So, get ready to add another dimension to your English speaking and writing abilities. Indefinite adverbs of frequency are adverbs that describe an event's frequency without specifying exact intervals. Unlike definite adverbs such as always or never, indefinite adverbs like often, seldom, usually, rarely, and sometimes give us an approximate idea about the frequency of an event. Here's a quick example to clarify. I always have breakfast in the morning. Definite. I often have breakfast in the morning. Indefinite. In the first sentence, we know that the person has breakfast every day. But in the second sentence, we understand that they have breakfast quite frequently, but not necessarily every day. When using indefinite adverbs of frequency, their position in the sentence can change the meaning. Usually, these adverbs are placed before the main verb, except when the main verb is to be, in which case the adverb comes after the verb. For example, she often reads before bed. He is usually at home on Sundays. But be careful. If you put the adverb at the beginning or end of the sentence, it can emphasize the frequency. Sometimes, she reads before bed. She reads before bed, sometimes. Let's solidify what we've learned with some practice. Fill in the blanks with appropriate indefinite adverbs of frequency. 1. He, blank, takes his dog for a walk in the park. 2. They are, blank, late for the meetings. 3. Blank, she likes to draw in her free time. Possible answers. 1. Often, sometimes. 2. Usually, often. 3. Sometimes, rarely. And there we have it. We've decoded the usage of indefinite adverbs of frequency. Remember, these adverbs are flexible and can help you express nuance and uncertainty in your English. Keep practicing and don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how we learn. See you in our next English language adventure.